In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Sniperoo to Axiom Pro. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, have an Axiom account, and in case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, once you have your account, you can actually leave that resting because the second thing you need is you want to go to Sniperoo. And this is basically just sniperoo.app. So you just want to go type Sniperoo on Google and then click on this where it says sniperoo.app, Sniperoo Trading Bot. Just click on that. And then from here, you can log in with either Google or Telegram. However, I recommend Telegram, and you want to click login with Telegram. And after this, it will open up this window. If you have a Telegram app, so on your computer, downloaded, you can click Start Bot. But if you want to use the web version like me, you can just click Open in Web. And then this window will pop up, which will basically give you access to Sniperoo Bot. From here, you want to click this login button over here and then click Open Link. And just like this, you'll be able to log into Sniperoo. Now, for the first time you're doing this, you may have to enter in a referral code. And if they tell you that you have to enter in a certain referral or invite code, here's mine. You can use mine if you want to, or any other. I don't care. So here it is. If you need it, you can just type that in, and then you'll be good to go. Now, after this, after you've done this, you'll be able to get access to this kind of Sniperoo Discord, Telegram over here, as well as this Sniperoo website. And on the website, you want to first click Add Extension, and then add the Chrome, and then add extension yet again. From here, as you can see, it's been added to Chrome. You can then go back to the Sniperoo, so the website, and you can go to this puzzle icon, where, as you can see at the very bottom, you have Sniperoo over here. I'm going to pin it for easier access. You then want to click on it, and at the first time you're trying to use this, you will be able to see that the only thing you can see while opening it up is you will basically have to put in a code. It is going to be an access code or something like this, and if it asks you for an access code, what you want to do is just click over here. Somewhere on the screen, it will tell you how to get it, and then once it says how to get it, you'll be able to go to Telegram, and over here inside Telegram, just scroll up a bit, and you'll be able to see your access code. So it's just gonna be over here somewhere. Just read the chat with Sniperoo, and then you will just click on it, and it will automatically copy, and you can go back in here and just paste it in, and you're good to go. Now, that's the first thing you want to do. The second thing you have to do is you want to go back inside here. So this is the only website we're going to be using from now on, apart from Axiom. What you have to do is you want to go into wallets over here on the left, and you can see your wallet. So I just made a test wallet over here. And what you have to do to be able to use an Axiom, you want to go to export. So where it says export, click on it, and it will give you your private key. Of course, this is private. You should never share it with anyone. I'm not going to show you what mine is. I'm just going to copy it because it's just for this example over here. And then once you copy it, of course, you can view it if you want to. You want to go to Axiom, and then you want to go top right where there's this profile icon. Click on account and security, manage wallets, and then you want to enter in the private key you just copied. So just paste it in here, and after you do it, you want to click add wallet, and in a few seconds your wallet will be added successfully, just like this. And if you now were to reset this website, so if I just refresh it using F5, or you can use this button up here, and you then go to any link, basically, any coin, so for example ATM, if you go in here, as you can see, nothing shows up just right now because it still hasn't updated. And you can see over here, if I now refresh this website for a bit, you'll be able to see your Sniperoo bot. So in case you still can't see it, what you can still try doing is go into account and security and go to manage wallets and make sure you switch to your wallet. So I'm gonna switch from this one, and I'm gonna try refreshing right now because sometimes it just doesn't want to show up. And then if you still can see it, you can just go again over here and just refresh this. There we go. And then you want to go back, refresh this. And in case it's still not showing, basically you just have to wait a few times and just repeat the process, and eventually you'll be able to see it. So right now it's not showing. I'm not sure why that is the case. However, it's been showing just a few minutes ago before I started recording this video. But for you, it likely will be showing the first time around. So that's basically how you connected. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.